Dear students, welcome to class 12 biology, chapter principles of inheritance and variation. We continue that chapter today. The topic is test cruise. What is a test cruise? It is a cruise to determine the genotype of an organism by cruising it with the recessive parent. In Mendel's experiment also, Mendel did test cruise to find out the genotype of pea plant with a tall character in F1 and F2. Here also, one violet flower is given with the dominant phenotype. That is genotype unknown here. That is why we put a question mark here. That plant, we cruise it with the recessive parent, recessive white flower, homozygous recessive. We write the homozygous alleles. Here, that dominant phenotype capital W. Then write the gametes as in the Mendel's experiment. One type of gametes, capital W, here small w. Then make it in a Punnett square, that is square tabular form. It was developed by the scientist Reginald C. Punnett. Then write the gametes on the top row and side row. Then cross it. First the gamete with this one, capital W, small w. Here also this one, capital W, small w. Here also same alleles only. We get all capital W, small w. This one dominant allele, capital W. So like parent, it is violet. Here also violet. Here also heterozygous violet. Here also capital W dominates, so it is violet. So what is the result here? Here we get the result, all violet flowers. All violet flowers. So interpretation, what is the conclusion here is unknown genotype is homozygous. That is, if the flower with the homozygous genotype, we get the result, all violet flowers. So this is the first case. So second case, we have to make it as, or we have to consider it as heterozygous. So make the change here. Here also that gametes will change. Here the result will also change. So make it as heterozygous, capital W, small w. Here also one capital and one small. Then this is with the recessive parent only, same only. So here one capital W, small w. Here also capital W, small w. Then second one with these two, small w. Here also small w. So here first one dominant allele, so this will be violet. Here also one dominant allele, capital W, so this also violet. This one, two recessive alleles, homozygous, it expresses white character, white. Here also white. So what is the result here? Result 2 violet and 2 white. 2 white, that is the ratio we are getting here. So result is about 50% of the flower is 50% violet and 50% white. Or half of the flowers are violet and half of the flowers are white. So what is the interpretation or conclusion? Genotype is heterozygous. Heterozygous. So if the genotype is heterozygous, we get the result 50% violet and 50% white flowers. So in this way, we can find out the genotype of an organism by crossing it with the recessive parent. That cruise is called test cruise. Here we consider the pea plant. Any organism, we can find out the genotype in this way. Possible questions here. One is a direct question. What is a test cross? How can you determine the genotype of a plant? Both the cross you have to write and explain. Then what is a test cross? How can it decipher? How can it decipher the heterozygosity of a plant? How will we write heterozygous? If the genotype is heterozygous, this case result will be 50% violet and 50% white. That part you have to explain. Then it can also be asked another way. Instead of heterozygosity, homozygosity can also be asked. Homozygosity. Then how will you write homo if the plant unknown genotype plant is homozygous? First case result will be all violet flowers. That part you have to explain. Then in another way, a plant bearing violet flowers is given to you with its unknown genotype. How can you determine the correct genotype? In that way also it can be asked. So thank you. We will have this video in Malayalam also.